All right, welcome back to the video tutorial series on whatispeople.com. In this video, I'm going to show you the sign up process, the profile development process, as well as the making a call to an expert flow. It's super simple, probably will take about 4 minutes to do. So without further ado, let's get into it. First thing to make mention, this screen right here is considered user A, and user B is considered this account right here. This is someone who is already logged in, as you'll notice, and this person is not. So we're going to first discuss how to log in. It's super simple. All you do is go to the top right where it says login and sign up. We are going to continue with Google. Okay, I'm going to choose one of my zillion Google accounts. And that is it. You are now in the system, but make mention now we're only dealing with like a subset of users. So like you'll notice my account did not show up as a live user on the site for the other user, which it should. But the reason is because we did not develop our profile enough to be what's known as searchable, like published in our system. So without it doesn't really take much. You just go to your settings, and you just fill out some information here. Now I'm going to be real with it. I am a full stack developer. Categories, sort of your subscriptions, what you want to be searched for. In this case, I'm going to put React because that's a coding platform, library, sorry. JavaScript. A couple others, Node, Mongo. All right, that's good enough, right? Now notice with just that information, guess what? We are now a searchable profile. All right, that's all it takes. Now I am going to put a description here. I am a full stack dev and coding instructor. That's it. All right, so now people, when they click your profile, they then can see all of your precious information right here. Now notice what I just did. If I wish to connect with this person, all I need to do is go to connect. I read about their information. This person is assuming that we need to talk to a full stack developer. We have a coding issue, whatever it may be. I can just immediately start to connect flow with them. Now for this first page, we also give the option that given the call that you have, if you have already filled out a ticket or a request, you can connect it to the call. In this case, we are not. We are just going to go to connect. We understand, or the person is understanding that, hey, look, since this is just a random call, the other user is not under any obligation to solve anything because they don't know what the call is about. So we're clicking that. We understand that. And when you click this button, the magic happens. The call is generated, and I am registered to offline mode, so the notifications are coming up as push notifications. We're going to click away from that. But if I assume that I want to talk to this person, I can accept the call. Now, right now, you'll notice that the person is then brought to the interaction room, if you will. Now, there's 3 of me. Now, once you connect, you are video chatting right away. Okay, so there's a little bit of an echo. Sorry, guys. Now, you have options to work with the board, which is just like a file drop, a global, kind of note taker. You have your chat down below, which is also a file drop, sort of like a Stack Overflow, if you will, but with video chat, obviously. So now that the call is over, the problem has been solved, not solved, whatever it may be, you end the call. Both users are then directed to the rating page, and you rate each other's performance based on professionality, expertise, as I've said in other videos. So once that's over, you are brought back to the main area, and that's it. That is the simplest way to make a call from user A to user B. Thanks for watching. In future videos, we're going to go over how to become a vendor and how to subscribe to offline mode. Stay tuned.